Welcome to Solidworks, guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about rectangle, circle, and arc entities. So for that, I'm selecting new part file. Please select the plane for sketch. So here is the rectangle entity, circle entity, and arc entity. You can select those three commands from this command manager, or you can go in tool drop down menu, go to sketch entity, and you can select all kind of rectangle, circle, and arc from here. You can also select by right click and simply go to sketch entity and choose both circle, rectangle types, and arc types from here, or simply press S key on your keyboard, which opens shortcut toolbar, and you can access rectangle menu, circle option, and arc option from here. So I just talk about rectangle first. So we have 5 types of rectangle: corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point corner, 3-point center, and parallelogram. So I just start with first option, corner rectangle, and when you click that option, one property manager is open on left side. You can see in a diagram also they are showing how to select corner rectangle. So for them, for selecting or for drawing corner rectangle, we have to select first corner and have to select another diagonal corner. Here is the parameter box, and you can change the parameter of the corners from here. Right now it is unavailable. As I draw the corner rectangle, it will available. Let's draw the corner rectangle. I chose the first point, and second point must be at diagonal corner. So select another point. You can see another options are also popping here. First one is for existing relation. If you want to add relation, then you can add it from here, or you can make this rectangle for construction. You can do it from here as well, or you can give or if you want to change the coordinates of 4 corner, you can change it from here. So each corner has each coordinate x and y axis. You can see from here. Press OK key for now. Go to another option, center rectangle. So for center rectangle, we have to select the center point and one corner. So if I right now if I change from corners, then those reference line between the rectangles shows from they are connected to corners. If I change to midpoint, then those reference line connected to midpoint of sides. For now, I'm just keeping from corners and select another point. So this is from corner or from center rectangular. Once again, select one point for center and another point at corner. This is center rectangular. Another option is 3-point rectangular. So for that, we have to select 3 different corners. So first point on corner, second point on corner, and third point on corner. Fourth option is 3-point center rectangular. So for that, you can see from here, we have to give first point on center, another point at midpoint of one of the side, and third point at corner. So first point at center, another point at the midpoint of one of the side, and third point at the corner. So this is 3-point center rectangular. This one is parallelogram. So in parallelogram, all the sides are parallel. So that's it in rectangle option. I'm going to start with circle. So we have two types of circle: traditional circle and perimeter circle. So I draw the first traditional circle, and for that I have to select one point at center and another point which determines radius. Let's see, first point at center and another point for determining radius. As I draw the circle, another box, same like in rectangle option. Another options are also coming in property manager, like relation or add relation, or maybe construction, or if you want to change the coordinates of center. If you want to change radius, then you can change it from here. So another option is perimeter circle. For that, you can see in diagram we need a 3 point. So first point, second point, and third point. So another option for thing for perimeter circle, I can make different way also. Like if I want to make a perimeter circle which is tangent to these two circles, then I can do it also. Simply select the perimeter option and select first circle, select second circle, and determining the radius. So in this perimeter circle, the circle is tangent to both of this circle. I can make perimeter circle which is tangent to these three circles. Let's see. For that, first select first circle, second circle, and third circle. I can also make a perimeter circle between three lines, which is tangent to three lines. Let's make triangle for that, and third side. So you can see that circle is tangent to all three sides of that triangle. So that's it in a circle option. I'm going to explain arc option. So first is center point arc. So you can see we have to select first point and center, and then after you select another 2 points. Let's see, first point at center, second point, and third point. If you have a rectangle, then we can select first point at midpoint, second point, and third point. Second option is tangent. So in tangent option, we have to select one of the end point of arc, or you can select end point of any of side or line. So if you select first point and select second point, so means your first point is making tangent relation to that side of rectangle. If I move that point or move the arc, it's keeping the tangent relation to that line. This arc is keeping tangent relation to that line. Third option is 3-point circle. So for that, select first point over here, another point over here, and third point over here. You can change the coordinates of all the points from here, including center, and you can change the radius as well from here. You can also give the relation or add relation from here as well. So that's it in this tutorial, guys. We'll see you in next tutorial.